Against the Pearl River Flood Control Project have cited 2 endangered species of the Pearl River as reasons to stop the project. WJTV 12's Margaret Ann Carter spoke with an expert to find out more about these creatures that call the river home.
Ringed saw-back turtle can only be found along the Pearl River in Mississippi and Louisiana. However, these ringed saw-back turtles are not thriving. Not only are they on the endangered species list, but they're also considered a threatened species. Critics of the One Lake project argue widening the Pearl River could eliminate what remains of them.
Well, it would remove the sandbars that they need for nesting. They don't do very well in slow, still habitats. So they're not lake turtles, they're big river turtles, and they would drop out slowly if this was turned into a big, slow lake.
Developers have said the project includes a designated turtle sanctuary and additional mitigation measures to support the population. The more than $340 million project would widen the river at the pinch points to help water move more easily through.
But this kind of habitat right across the river would be dug out, knocked down and dredged 10-foot depth to widen the river from about 300 feet to between 1,500 and 2,000 feet.
Andrew Whitehurst with the Gulf Restoration Network says another concern is the endangered Gulf sturgeon, which he says has been seen along the river.
We have a fisherman who called in a report to the Wildlife Agency of a sturgeon that he caught while fishing for bass in 2009. So while the sills and the Lowhead Dam at the waterworks are impediments to movement, the fish during very high water are finding a way to do it.
One Lake developers say it's believed the Gulf sturgeon does not migrate north to the study area due to those impediments. However, they will continue to monitor their migration. Reporting in Jackson, Margaret Ann Carter, WJTV 12.